So in this video I'm going to show you how to cross-cut fillet this plaice. There's lots of different methods out there, so the method I'm going to show you is slightly different to some methods taught. What I do first of all is I will remove the head, so turn it around first of all. Again, scoring round, making maximum yield from that fish right the way to there. Again, using the heel of the knife, going to remove the head. Just take that part off, discard the head. The reason that I take the head off is it makes it very easy for filleting both sides, because if you leave the head on, it's okay doing the first sides, quite easy, but when you turn it round to the second side, leaving the head on, it just lifts it up a little bit and makes it quite hard to do. So first of all, I'm going to start with the white side. I'm going to put my fingers on the tail and I'm going to create a smiley face, as I call it, in the bottom of the tail to there. I'm going to push the fish around to the left hand side. The reason I do that is it makes a nice taut surface, so it's a little bit like cutting wrapping paper with scissors. Makes it easy so you can go straight through the wrapping paper. Same thing applies to this. So pushing it across to the left hand side, I'm going to start at the base of the tail, I'm going to come all the way up the fish first of all, so I'm just using one movement to come all the way up to the fish to there. Again, using the frame as a guide, I'm going to come into the middle part of the fish. So using the skeleton right the way to the middle, to there. So I've opened up the fish to there, and then what you find here, you've got about 3 or 4 ribs. So I'm going to use the tip of my knife just to cut through them. Just hear that when I come through it. And in the middle of this fish there's like a V shape, so I use the point of my knife, just draw right the way down to the bottom to there, and it starts to open up. What I'm going to do now is use the frame as a guide, nice and easy. Put the knife in, shut the door as I say, come down this side, and then what I'm going to do is going to put my knife on there again and then come all the way up to there, producing my first fillet. Same thing on the second side, so turn it round, again, that half moon shape, push it across to the left, into the tail, right the way up the fish to the top, use the frame as a guide, into the middle, again over those ribs, to there, all the way down, knife in, come through to the other side, lift it up, again putting your knife on the bone structure all the way up to the top, utilising this part of the fish. Make sure you use maximum yield from that fish. You turn it around, the only job I've got to do now is just trim up a little bit here, again with the ribs, and this is why we've got a flexible filleting knife. We can put the toe of the knife there, get that shape, and we're just going to literally shave off those rib bones and that bit of belly membrane to there. So you're not going to have too much waste when you take it off. So put it to there. Again, same thing on the white side. I'm going to come in nice and bent, just shave off those ribs to there. And there you are. Just turn it round. You've got 2 beautiful cross-cut plaice fillets.